Hey guys, you can see I'm currently getting the machine ready for its first job. Took a little while just because it was low on hydraulic fluid, so I wanted to take the chance to fill it up correctly. And after reading the book, this is what they're requesting for, and I'm gonna make sure I use all the things that that book says, you know, and make sure we follow all the specs just to make sure that there's no excuses for warranty in the future if something were to happen to the machine. So Kubota UDT2, very expensive oil, guys, very expensive oil, that's for sure. It should be about the halfway point between that 40 and 50, between that 50 and 60. And Dean said that if it's a little bit above it, it's better for it. So there you go, we're at 70. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. Alright, so after doing all this, now I'm sitting, which I believe is too high. So I'm gonna be draining some oil. Guys, after currently doing some testing, we are ready to go. So we're currently getting a couple of pitchforks. We're gonna try to get all the excess roots and stuff out of it so we can get the area level as much as we can. We just don't have enough dirt to play with today, unless we use some of that crushed concrete, we'll see. But the mission for today was to remove the palm trees, and that's been completed. And I'll keep you guys updated as we go along. The two palm trees are completely gone. They're over there. I wish I would have brought the leveler today, but I failed. I really did. And I didn't bring it because he didn't have any of the soil that was needed to level the area out, but we just did our best with what we got. This is a work in progress. He's planning on finishing removing all this out, laying down some 57 stone, and then build on top of that instead. His main concern was to remove the 2 palm trees, and then the goal was completed today. They're right over there. She did good today. She's definitely dirty, and we're gonna give her some love and care once we get back to the house. I forgot to show you guys how many hours, but I think we're about the 3-hour mark now. Let me see. Yeah, 3.2. Here we are. After a little bit of work today, we're giving her some loving. Must be dreaming.
Baby, I don't wanna fall asleep. If I do, I might just never wake up. I feel like something's controlling me, and I won't know until I'm all alone. But I don't wanna stay to find out. I feel it coming, don't make a sound. Nothing I see feels real, and I knew from the start it's taking over me. But I know one thing's for sure, nothing makes sense right now, no. So I guess I must be dreaming, 'cause nothing's adding